Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make such video by using Canva. Within 10 minutes you can make. So let's get started. Okay, first of all you have to open the Google and type there canva.com and hit the enter button. Then this home page will reflect in front of you. Here you will find multiple type of options like create is there, home is there, classwork, project, templates. Uh, Lots of things are there. So I want to make the video for Instagram. So directly I'll go click and create and then go to social media. Then I will select Instagram post. सो क्लिक ऑन इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट इफ़ यू डू इन दिस वे आपको वो एग्जैक्ट साइज मिल जाएगा जो इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट पर होना चाहिए. तो इस तरीके से आपको कस्टमाइज नहीं करना पड़ेगा. यू डोंट हैव टू कस्टमाइज द टेम्पलेट साइज इन दिस वे. So basically, first of all, I'll paste a brand logo. For that, I'll go to uploads and here I have brand. So I just click on this and this will come to your page. I did the same. Then I will adjust the logo size, which I did. If you want, you can tilt it, but I want to go for a straight one only. I think this will look better. So I'll just paste it at the corner. I think this is good. Yeah, it's okay. Now I'll color the background. So I'll just click on the background. Then if you can see the circle rainbow, click on there and you find multiple colors, but I'll do the same color what they have in their logo. So they have two colors, so gray and I think purple. I'll go with gray one. And then I'll go and click on elements and search for frame because I have to post multiple photos in this template. So click on see all, then go down more. Okay, this frame will look good, I think so. Let's try. Oh, we have a mobile frame as well. I think this will look good. So make it duplicate. I want to paste 4 photos. I'll make duplicate by clicking on this icon. This is very easy. Canva use करना बहुत easy है. So anyone can use. You have to know where to click and how to do that. It should be creative while doing this. So you can group it by I'm grouping this. Yeah, in this way you can group it and adjust however you want. And yeah, this will look good. Then go to uploads again and upload any photo you want to, you can upload. And on upper side you can see upload file option is there. You can click there and upload any file whatever you have in your PC. So they have multiple products. I'm going to paste their products photos there. They have diaries, they have watches, they have mug and all, and they have headset also, a wide range of products they have. So first page is already ready. If you can see, we'll go to second page. For that I'll click on add page. So where you want to add, you can add multiple pages by clicking on add page. Okay, so I've added all the pages. So I want to adjust little this. Okay, so just copy the brand and paste it on all the pages. The same size what you have in your first page. I'll do the same. Okay, so nothing, just I did copy and paste, that's all. Nothing rocket science. Okay, so I'll make the second page. For that I want to upload one photo only, so I'll go to the elements and pick the same frame what I did in first page. I'll make it little big this time because I'm going to post only single photo. So I think the size is perfect. Yeah. Then again go to and again go to uploads. Take the photo. This they have dresses as well. Okay, so This is looking little empty, so I want to write any text. So for that, just have to type T on your keyboard. This thing will come and type whatever you want to type, whatever font you want. You can choose font, you can customize the size, you can customize the color as well. I will do all this thing. I'll show you. I make it in uppercase first of all, then I will do for color. Yeah, I want the same. I pick the same purple what they have in their logo. Okay, I think this is looking good. I'll make the same uh, for page 3, for page 4. I did the same thing. Okay, then I'll come to the last page. For that, what I'll do, I'll just go to the first page and make it duplicate of it and drag it down, because I want to make the same. I want to make first and last page the same. So I'll do the same. How I'm doing this, by using this arrow, I can drag down it. या दिस वे इफ अगर मैं इस टाइप से करूँगी तो फिर मेरे को बस फोटोज चेंज करने पड़ेंगे, मेरे को फ्रेम लेकर जस्ट ये सब करना नहीं पड़ेगा. सो ऑलवेज वर्क स्मार्ट नॉट हार्ड. ओके सो ओके I again went to uploads and pick the photos and uploading all the photos here. That's all. Nothing rocket science is there. This is not visible enough. I think I should paste it in front. And okay, I think it's okay. In this page, I want to write a product range. For that, again, I'll type nothing, like I'll type T in my keyboard, and this will come, and I'll start writing all the product what they have, so that the customer and whoever is watching this video should be clear what all products they have. So I typed all this thing here and adjust it the size and all, and paste it in the corner. See, Canva use करना is pretty easy. See, Canva use करना is pretty easy. Like you don't have to do lots of things, you don't have to learn lots of things out there. It is really easy to use this Canva, because they made this in this way, like anybody can use. As I'm using, you should know the basic thing of editing and whatever you want to do. So I'll adjust the font size, I'll increase it, decrease it, I change the color, and now I'm going to paste it here. I think this is more visibility. This is giving good visibility, I think. Okay. So again, for color, you have to go to font color and change whatever color. I have chosen the 2 colors only in all the videos, because they have only 2 colors in their brand logo. So I don't want to make it like more loud and colorful. So I just okay, go like that. So all the templates and pages are ready. So just applies animated will make more fascinating. It will look more good. It will, I think animation gives a motion in the video, so it's really good for adding animation in this video. Let's decrease the timing, because if I go with the same animation timing, it will make longer the video, which don't want. Apply it to all the pages. Click on that, and it will apply all the pages. It's a preview. Yeah, it's looking fascinating, I think. Okay. Yeah, this is all the video that I showed to you earlier. So just go to share and click on downloads. You can set the quality as well, and click on download. It will start downloading. Now it will download and go to the your file, so you can use it anywhere wherever you want to post. So in this way you can make the video, and it is pretty easy to make the video. Thank you so much. Follow for more such video.